nina uhambe uyojoyina. Manje into eniyenzayo nina bomama nisuke nenze lento ephambana nomthetho sisekelo waseSouth Africa. Nifuna ukuthi ngoba nina aniyithandi inhlangano ethile. Bese nithi ke cha ngoba yini aniyithandi ayingabi khona. Kulungile ke nani nezizathu. But bakwethu, present your submissions to the National High Command for consideration before the Constitution is amended. Akukabi khona lokhu okufisayo wena before the Constitution is amended. Uma ngabe yo amendwa, that's fine. Abanye ke bathi but umongameli wakhuluma wathi bakwethu yabona into ekulinywe umongameli ngesikhathi esithile emhlanganweni othile uyena yedwa onga-accounta ngaleyo nto akuthina sonke kodwa thina siyazi ukuthi umongameli yena owayicherisha owayingxenye ye-National High Command ya-adopt i-Constitution. Akuyena yedwa owa-adopt i-Constitution ya-adoptwa i-National High Command working with umongameli. Thina-ke esine-view, please ake silungise loluyadaba ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani uku-influencer i-National High Command ukuthi ithi take into account ezethu awethu ama-views. Siyazi ukuthi kunohlelo luka-DSG, siyakwazi lo bana likapheli phela, but uma lungakapheli aluzuphazamisa abanye nani enikwamanye ama-formation aluzukuniphazamisa. Qhubekani nani nama-formation enu nabe-Women's League abaqhubeke ne-formation yayo kuyothi nasekuhlanganisiwe bese nisitshela-ke ukuthi hayi sesivumelene kanje. Mangavunyelwana kusewumashuzi mayikhethele wonke umuntu akakhethe ukuthi ukuphi. Ayicabangi lento makomanda futhi ayidingi inzondo kodwa more than anything else ayidingi le inhlambe esizizwayo. Ayidingi le inhlambe esizizwayo. Mina bakwethu ngaza lo muntu wesifazane futhi ngaba nenhlanhla emhlabeni ngajola ngesikhathi sokujola kwafika isikhathi sokuthi ngiganwe ngaganwa. Ngiyamrespect umuntu wesifazane ngazi ukuthi umuntu-respected. Umthetho-sisekelo wamkhonto wesizwe party uyangiphoqa-ke impela ukuthi ngimrespect umuntu wesifazane, but naye akazi-respect. Naye umuntu wesifazane akabarespect abanye abantu besifazane. Asikwenze kanjalo, then nothing will go wrong. Nothing will go wrong. So ilungisa into yethu yomkhonto wesizwe without ukuthi size sizondane. Le hatred esikhona makumanda ayikho justified. Ngakho-ke sicela ukuthi leyo nto iqondisise kahle ukuthi there is nothing wrong okwamanje. Bambani nje ikhona lelo umuntu ngamunye alibambile bese mlinda process ka-DSG. Futhi nathi sizolilekelela ngoba njengoba sihleli nje ngenxa yokuthi leyo process phela ihlupha thina sonke mayidala i-confusion kubantu besimame. U-DSG useyazi ukuthi umnqunu umthintile ukuthi hey awuxazulule lento lukubi uhlelo lwakho lungase liphelenini ngoba uma lungaphelile lolo hlelo luzoba inkinga. So asiliyeke nje makomanda ngifuna-ke ukuphetha ngalazi indawanyana mhlawumbe ngakaphethi ake ngisho nje yamalunga sepalamende. Bakhona abanye abasithethisayo manje ngisambekeleni lo convener ngoba uyilunga lasepalamende. awu makomanda bawufika kwi-organization awuthi ufika ubulala zonke i-structure usale uzosebenza nobani le handover besikhuluma ngayo uzoyithatha kubani sithatha funa sithola ama-handover ku-convener no-coordinator uma ngabe u-convener no-coordinator basepalamende kulungile phela kodwa kusho ukuthi sebesinikezile ama-reporter thina will be in the process of phasing out lawo bantu abafana nalabo ngendlela esmooth ngendlela engezuba disruptive to i-organization asizile ukuzobhidliza umkhonto wesizwe sizowakha silekeleleni-ke nani siwakhe umkhonto wesizwe uma ngabe ukhomanda ulapha yawuconvener ucoordinator tedeleni asinikeze ireport yithi esizofika sesithi kinina-ke bakhomanda ngenxa ye-constitutional provision ewukuthi sesimazisile ukhomanda ubani ukuthi ithuba lakhe seliphelile njoba seliphelile ithuba lakhe siboneke ukuthi asimiseni kanje kule region sikwenza nani asizubhele senze nje singafikile kinina sobe sinani kuma regions siyobe senza lento engayichaza kulaba abanye ukuthi yonke isikhathi if you are going to eliminate you must substitute leyo principle yokuthi kukhona elimination by substitution must prevail ba eliminate abantu ngenayo substitute zosala ne vacuum kwi science ke but nature allows no vacuum na kwi politics nature allows no vacuum so sitedeleni ke singayikhandi vacuum kumkhonto wesizwe kodwa kusho ukuthi sithi labantu abahlale unombelo noma iconstitution ikhona lo besikhulumayo sikhulumi engakwazi upresident uyakwazi ungayihluphiki ukuyomtshela ukuthi sisagcine abantu abaseparlament uyazi ukuthi siba phase out kuphela nje leyo process sizoyenza isheshe ngoba sesiqedile phela namanye ama-regions sesisithathile nje isinqumo ukuthi mapha ama-regions esoshintsha kuwona soshintsha kanjani sesiyakwazi lokho seni-implementation patience makomanda futhi akuzuba yilelo phuzu kuphela eliyoshintsha abantu kuninganyana okuyoshintsha abantu kuninganyana siyochaza sesifikile sizonichazela namhlanje ngoba kuzofana mhlawumbe i-region ne-region nasifika kwi-region yenu siyosho ukuthi why should we change khona futhi indawo la esingasesifike khona sithi there is no need to change masithi there is no need to change kuyobe senze assessment will have a reason for doing that so asibangwa-ke lezi zinto makomanda sicela ukuthi nani ningasibangisi zona ngithatha-ke nje leli thuba ngoba naku nikhona nonke kodwa akulona usuku lolu lokuthi sizoxoxa nani ngalezi zinto usuku le-national njobe sefikile ukhomanda uMagasela wayibeka le ndaba ngithi irala kuyona yethu akuyona ye-province irala it's a national rally yakhiwe upresident no-national high command yibo abathe irali ayibe khona yokucelebrate 1 year nyaka owodwa voka makomanda bavele bakhetha thina la KwaZulu-Natal. Now nami ngingabuzeka ke ukuthi ngiphawula ngithini kuloluda. Phawula kwami kusimbi. Umkhonto wesizwe walonjwe eSoweto. Nasekulandwa iPeople's Mandate yalandwa eOrlando Stadium. Hawu bekunganani nje ukuthi one year celebrate KwaZulu-Natal. Yabona makomanda. Yinhle leyo nto. We're not claiming it. We're not saying we're selfish. We're also not jealous. Sithi nje akodwa sekuyiwe kwakwethu kwezinye indawo kakhudlwana. Nathi ake kuziwe nje kithina. Baye basikhethile, sibongileke thina, sibonge kakhulu kubaholi bethu. Angizungibamemeza ke ngithi nje baholi bethu. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi ke basikhumbule ke basikhethe. Sizolalela umongameli sindawonye sonke siyiprovince for the first time. Yize ukuthi nami bengingekho emkhontweni for isikhatshanyana utheke uMagasela kusho lutho ufikeni. Mina ngisanda ukufika. Ngisanda ukufika kodwa nabo bayazi ukuthi umzimba usanda ukufika. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngifike nodwa. Umzimba lo usanda ukufika. Inhliziyo. Into phela mayinhle makomanda, into mayinhle ithandwa nayo izitha zabo. Inhleke leyo. Nami ngangiyithanda ngiyisitha sayo. Kodwa ngibona ukuthi inhle but leyana noma mina ngingayizonanga anani but inhle leyana. Akekho umuntu wayengekajatshuliswa ukugcwala kweOrlando Stadium. Ngendlela esasinyenyetheka ngayo. Hey. Hayi ngizoba khona nami ngoba ngasinye. Angisane emaraleni. Now ngikubekela lokho ukuthi ukazi Moses Mabhidi yonyenyetheka. Nithini makomana? Yonyenyetheka. Yodlula ngisho iOrlando Stadium. Kwaza mkonto kwaza. Kwaza Moses Mabhidi mkonto kwaza. Awu nobiphoxile. Futhi hayi nobiphoxe thina. Hayi futhi nobiphoxa umongameli. Nani nobeliphoxile makomanda. Serious. Manje lokubhalisa Moses Mabhidi. Hayi nobeliphoxile. Nathi sonibheka njengabo bonke abanye abantu ukuthi awu abaholi bamkhonto wesizwe bahlula ukugcwalisa Moses Mabhidi. Sikhulu lesi stadium. Make no mistake, singacabanga ukuthi silula. Sikhulu lesi stadium. Kodwa singagcwala. Singagcwala. Yazi makomanda. Sisebancane thina sisebancane siye emaraleni. 600,000. Sisebancane siye emaraleni. Yayithi imessage irala kuyona yakho. Irala kuyona yakho wena individually. Ungajatshuliswa ukuthi uyeralini. Jatshuliswa ukuthi ufike nabantu abangaki aberalini. Yilokho ngikujabulisa. Kusukela ushilo uMagasela wathi kulaba sebeganiwe. Bancengeni omama nina besilisa. Nani besifazane bancengeni obaba. Abalwisi nabapho babonise kahle ukuthi kuhle kanjani ukuyolalela ukuthi kuthiwane Moses Mabhidi. Ngoba irali akuyona yamalungu omkhonto wesizwe yaKwaZulu Natal. Yabantu baKwaZulu Natal uma iseMoses Mabhida. Kodwa bazoza-ke nabase-South Africa. Kodwa nabakwaZulu Natal asize nabo bonke. Singabashiyi abantwana bethu asebekhulakhulile. Shiye laba abancane kakhulu. Singabashiyi okhazini bethu. Singabashiyi omakhelwane bethu. Singayishiyi-ke ney'thandwa zethu. Ngizwe eThekwini kuthiwa kufunakala obani laba bantu masithiwa ama-side chick. Bathi eThekwini bacela ukuthi omama-ke bathi ukuthi nje turn a blind eye engathi abazi kahle. Omama ukuze ama-side chicks nawo abe khona kwindawo. Akusho-ke mina ngixoxa udaba olwenzeke eThekwini. Bathi-ke makomandazi ayikho into eyosijabulisa thina njengokuthi umongameli aqeda unyaka kahle ngenhlangano ayisukela ngomhla ka-16 December 2023. Sifisa ukuthi ngomhla ka-16 December 2024 avuke umongameli happy ngobulale happy. Ukuthi naye celebrate nje on the 16th of December. Asibonge thina malungu omkhonto. It's possible. It's possible. Fill up Moses Mabhida. Awakhiwe lo mbutho womkhonto wesizwe. I-test masiyifeyilile. I-test yokuthatha Moses Mabhida siyigcwalise. It's highly unlikely ukuthi siyoyiphasa i-test yokuthatha lesifundazwe sibuyele emkhontweni wesizwe. It's highly unlikely ukuthi siyokwazi ukuthatha labo masipala enibathathe nababeke ezandleni ezi-wrong. Namhlanje mina-ke nginomasipala abaningi. Umasipala wami iTheku, ngiyaqala. Nabe ngingapha eMtshezi, ifica umasipala wami waseMtshezi uyaqaka enkosi langa libalele. Nangidlula ngiyekhaya bomama eMnambethi, ifica umasipala ngake ngathi ukuhlala-ke nangapha eMpangeni isikhashanyana. Uyaqaka nakhona. Hayi asikwazi ukuxakwa omasipala bakwethu kukhona ivoti. Asikwazi ukuthatha lo masipala. Asibathathe labo masipala ngo-2026 siphinde sithi before sithatha umasipala, province is ours. Waza mkhonto kwaza. Waza mkhonto kwaza. Waza mkhonto kwaza. Waza mkhonto kwaza.
Besivumelene ukuthi sizodedela uCommander SG ashaye lokho akushayayo ngoba fanele uyele emhlanganweni we-National High Command. Sesocela-ke ukuthi-ke asimsukumise-ke
Gwaza, Mkondo, Gwaza. Siaya, Moses Mabhida, Siaya. Moses Mabhida, Siaya. Siaya, Moses Mabhida, Siaya. Viva President Jacob Zuma, viva! Viva! Viva President Jacob Zuma, viva! Viva! Manda! Away! Two! Thank you very much, coordinator, member of the National High Command of the province, Comrade Donda, and the convener of the province, Commander Willison Kunu, the leadership of the province in its entirety, most importantly, all of us comrades from all the regions of KwaZulu-Natal. I am bound to speak for a very brief moment because we are scheduled to have the National High Command, which was supposed to start at 12 o'clock, and the President is supposed to open that National High Command. So I was sent here to come and fetch the convener of the province, to come and fetch the convener of the province and the head of presidency, so that we can go and start the meeting of the National High Command. But then the coordinator had requested that we should update the structures of Umkhonto weSizwe here in the province of KwaZulu-Natal about the programs that are going to take place here in the province. So as part of celebrating the first anniversary of Umkhonto weSizwe, the province is instructed to have programs in all the regions to celebrate the first anniversary. But the three programs which are going to be anchored by the head office will be a program which must take place on the 1st of December in Ilembe district. So we'll have to decide the region, and the reason why we chose Ilembe is because Ilembe has got the highest percentage at the district level of the number of people who voted for Umkhonto weSizwe. So if we were to follow that logic of Ilembe having the highest number of votes, it means the sub-region that has to be prioritized in Ilembe has to be Mandeni. Because Mandeni received more than 62% of the vote for Umkhonto weSizwe. But if the region decides that we can take the event to Ndwendwe or to Kodubuza or to Mapumula, it will be your own decision. But the national leadership has resolved that we must have a program that is anchored by the national office in Ilembe. So that is the first program which the province must be involved in organizing successfully. There are targeted minimum numbers of people that we expect to have in that particular program, and the province will communicate that. Then the main program, comrades, the convener of the province spoke eloquently and very clearly about it here, is the main rally of Umkhonto weSizwe to celebrate the first anniversary of our organization, which will be in Moses Mabhida Stadium on the 15th of December on Sunday. So I want us to pay attention, all of us, as to what will be the role of all the regions, to bring all the supporters and members of Umkhonto weSizwe from all the 11 regions of KwaZulu-Natal. So the manner in which we have dealt with that question is that here in eThekwini, we want to have to bus in 100,000 people to Moses Mabhida. It's practically possible because We've got 111 wards here in eThekwini. If you were to check the 2024, 29 May general elections, there are very few wards where Mkhonto weSizwe received less than 7,000 votes. So majority of wards, actually more than 87 wards, Mkhonto weSizwe was safely above 50%. And at a very decisive number. So there can't be any excuse that we can't bring at least 1,000 people each and every one of the 111 wards here. And of course, there will be certain wards that will be affected because of the national question in terms of the number of people who are going to attend. Then the wards that are far much more strong are the ones who are going to cover for that. But the target, even the transport plan. So when we hire buses and hire taxis, we should be assured as wards of eThekwini that we're taking 1,000 people minimum as each and every one, as each and every branch. Then in terms of the other regions, for the regions of Ugu, of Ngungundlovu, of Ilembe, and King Cetshwayo, we're going to bring in 20,000 people each from those regions. So those regions must sit by themselves and allocate the targets per local municipality or per sub-region. So what will happen with Ngungundlovu is that you must say that from Sunduzi as the biggest, this is the number that is going to come from Umgeni, from Umshwati, from Richmond. These are the number of people and the number of buses that we're going to allocate. The same with King Cetshwayo, you must say that from Hlatuze, this is the number that will come from Tonjaneni, from Ghana, from Lalazi. These are the number of people who are going to come. The same with Ilembe, you must then break down those numbers, that KwaDukuza is going to give us this number, Mandeni and Dwende will give us this number, Wapumula will give us this number. The same with Ugu, that Renkonyeni will give us this number, and all the local sub-regions, so that we know what we are planning for. We are going to bring everyone. Why do we plan to say 100,000 eThekwini, 20,000 for the neighboring regions? Then the rest of the regions, Mkhanyakude, Zululand, Mzinyathi, Amajuba, Thukhele, must bring a minimum of 10,000 people. So we're going to need 10,000 people from each and every region. So Thukhele must give us, Makui must give us 10,000 people from Alfred Duma, from Kahlamba, and from Nkosinaga Mchezi. We need the people of Mchezi to come to Moses Mabhida to fill up the stadium. And we need all the people, despite some of the issues, we need all the people from Umzinyathi to come to Moses Mabhida. We must mobilize in Ndumeni, in Msinga, in Umvudi. Umsinga and Umvudi, we must get everyone else to come there. Mkhanyakude, we need everyone from Jozini, Mkhanyakude, in Mklabalinga, Mtubatu, and Big Five Tabisa. We need everyone. In Zululand, we need everyone from Ulundi, from Edumbe, from Pongola, from Abatulu, from all of those. You must bring 10,000 people. And then you take majority of buses to Ematlangeni, which has got 4 wards. Because if you take 100 buses to Ematlangeni, you might as well transport the whole municipality to the rally. And there won't be people remaining because it's a very small municipality. So we need to systematically allocate transport to all the corners of the province. But it must not just be to prepare for the event. Let's have activities and programs in our regions. The national officials, members of the National High Command, are here in the province now and are going to be stationed, majority of them here. So if a region is able to organize your own program and say that you are looking for the Deputy President or the Secretary General, the DSG, the TG to come, we will avail them so that we build momentum towards the 15th of December. So let's have the build-up activities. The only program that we're going to anchor is the one of Ilembe, but all other regions are otherwise encouraged to have different programs as part of the build-up to the anniversary celebrations. Comrades, I think the convener of the province has explained the implications of us not getting this right. So this, the perception of failing to have to fill Moses Mabhida Stadium will be far much more dire on the organization. It's very difficult to fill Moses Mabhida Stadium. It's not easy. I can tell you now because we know the records. When the ANC went to launch its manifesto there, it of more than 300,000 people. Not only from KwaZulu-Natal, from all over South Africa, but they could not fill up the stadium. Actually, they had even booked Kings Park Stadium with a view that they are going to have an overflow because their volunteers and those who were telling them the reports on the ground say Moses Mabhida is solid, is going to be full. So the other organization that we used to belong to, we went to Moses Mabhida as well at some stage. It's a very difficult environment. It's not an easy environment. Is that a lot of people from inland, even inland KwaZulu-Natal, who do not come from areas that are closer to the ocean, there is absolutely no way they will come to Durban and not go to the ocean. If you threaten them that we're going to leave you there, they will say you're going to leave us here. We're going to see the sea, we're going to swim, we're going to fetch the water. So that we must anticipate as well, and as part of the plans that we're working on, because we know that the people are going to go to the ocean, so we're going to put up the screens to live stream the rally there at the ocean, so that we address our people wherever they are. So that is the approach that we are going to take. But one thing that we must rest assured is that a lot of people will not miss an opportunity to go to the ocean. So the number that we have allocated, 100,000 at Equity, 20,000 for the surrounding 4 regions, and then the remaining 5 regions is 10,000 each, is not even enough. What then that means is that we should agitate, we must mobilize and invite literally everyone in the province of KwaZulu-Natal to come to our rally. There must not be a single person who does not know that we have got a rally on the 15th of December here. So by whatever means possible, let's do everything else to make sure that we have got enough number who can go to the city now. But we must not have a situation where we will struggle to have a respectable number of people attending. More so that Kontowesizwe is a clear majority. A significant number of people voted for Kontowesizwe in this province. So we can't behave like we do not enjoy the support of the majority. So we need to go on the ground, mobilize our people, and also conscientize them. Those who come into the buses, you must say to them that, comrades, to organize one day for the beach, we're going to the run. We're going to listen to our president, give proper direction as to what is to be done. Because as the convener of the province has said, the head of president said it yesterday as well. He might have said it before he arrived there because he's always talking about it. We are going to constitute government that is led by Umkhonto we Sizwe here in the province of KwaZulu. And that has to be inspired by what comes from the ground, by the energy that is displayed by the people who support Umkhonto we Sizwe. We are going to talk, comrades, from time to time as to how all this is going to be handled. We have now included, as a last point, the sub-regional conveners and coordinators of eThekwini. Every week want to have the representatives of regions, the coordinators. So we need 2 people per region who will give direct reports on the bus lists, on the mobilization work that is happening in all the regions. Our meetings take place in the evening so that they do not interfere with the work which otherwise we have to do during the day. So the regions from the meeting that is upcoming now, we are going to invite the regions, and in that meeting we'll be expecting the breakdown in the same way we are breaking down the regional allocations. You must give us the sub-regional allocations and still be thinking as to what will be the pickup points and who are going to be the bus coordinators, who are going to be the taxi coordinators, so that we do not have a confused transport plan for our run. Let's go and consolidate for a successful program. We're going to spend for the rest of today together, but we have got another program, and the president had said Thank you very much, comrades.
Sesizweleke inkulumo ka-SG. Ngicabanga ke manje ukuthi abantu bavuka intathakusa kusempondo zankomo beza la. Sizocela ke manje ukuthi asithole ke imiyalelo layo ukuthi sokuthola kanjani okuya ngasethunjini. Ngizwile la indaba zoconvener no-coordinator ukuthi uMacingwane uthi khona abazoshintshwa khona futhi abangeke bashintshwe. Ngiyayibona ke le ndaba yakho uMacingwane ukuthi imoto manje